Filter One Manufacturing, a leader in capturing welding smoke in large industrial plants. The Filter One equipment utilizes the sonic resonating wrapper, the SRR Cleaning system, which will be shown in this demonstration. As seen in the SRR demonstration, a burst of air goes through the hose, which mechanically contacts the inside cage of the cartridge, which helps release 30% more dust by weight than a pulse jet only system. As you can see on the right side, the tremendous amounts of dust that are released from the cartridge due to the both mechanical separation and pulse of air that goes through the cartridge. This is a dual system that is very effective and also helps to maintain the dust inside of the cartridge compared to pulse jet system.